Finding your feet, a guide to getting comfortable in new situations. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring an interesting phrase that often pops up in conversations: finding your feet. This expression is not just about the physical act of standing up but carries a deeper meaning. Let's unpack it together and see how you can use it to enhance your English speaking and understanding. Finding your feet refers to the process of becoming comfortable and confident in a new situation or environment. Imagine moving to a new city, starting a new job, or learning a new skill. Initially, everything feels unfamiliar and challenging. However, over time, as you become more accustomed to the new circumstances, you start to feel more at ease. This journey from feeling out of place to gaining confidence is what we describe as finding your feet. To help you understand better, let's go through some examples. Starting at a new school. It took me a few weeks to find my feet at my new school, but now I have made some friends and enjoy my classes. Beginning a new job. The first month was tough, but once I found my feet, I started to really contribute to the team. Moving to a new country. Finding your feet in a new country can be daunting, but it's also an exciting adventure. In each of these situations, the phrase highlights the transition from feeling uncertain to becoming comfortable and confident. Now that you know what it means, let's talk about how to use this phrase effectively in conversations. It's perfect for situations where you want to express sympathy, encouragement, or relate your own experiences of adapting to something new. For example, when someone shares their struggles with a new experience, you can say, "It's normal to feel that way until you find your feet." To share your personal journey, you might say, "It took me a while to find my feet, but I'm glad I stuck with it." Remember, using phrases like finding your feet makes your English sound more natural and fluent. And that's a wrap on finding your feet. We hope this video helps you not only understand this phrase but also empowers you to use it in your daily conversations. Adapting to new situations is a universal experience, and now you have the perfect English expression to talk about it. Thanks for watching, and we hope you find your feet in whatever new adventures lie ahead of you. See you in our next video.